Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a useful yet often overlooked feature of YouTube: viewing your own comments. Whether you're trying to find an old conversation or simply want to track your interactions, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First things first, why would you want to find your own comments? Maybe you're searching for a specific discussion you participated in, or you want to see if there's any reply to your questions on a tutorial or review. Whatever the reason, YouTube makes it surprisingly easy to track down your past comments. Step 1. Sign in to your YouTube account. It's crucial to be logged into the account you used to make the comments. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will drop down. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, select Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to a page dedicated to your YouTube activity and data. Step 4. Scroll down to the History and Privacy section and click on Comments. Here, you'll find a list of all your comments across YouTube videos sorted by date. Now you can browse through your comments, find specific interactions, and see responses from other users or the video creators themselves. But what if you want to find a comment on a specific video? Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't offer a direct search function for this yet. However, you can use the browser's search function by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac and typing in keywords related to the video. This can help narrow down the search. And there you have it. Finding your comments on YouTube is as simple as that. Engage, interact, and never lose track of your conversations again. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.